While we are talking about agriculture, in a world that has hunger, how can innovation enhance efficiency of food value chains, resources, reduce post harvest losses, and improve distribution? Can you please shed some light on that?
So, you were talking about we don't have enough food. So think of this world before Ford came with the car, with the line of production of cars, which everybody is using today. And before that, a car was very expensive. Today, anyone can buy not only cars, but also other things because of the process. Now, for many reasons, we didn't get it to agriculture. The oldest revolution in the world was agriculture, but we failed to get this innovation into agriculture. So this is something that we can do, we must do. And to give an example, in Israel, we did it pretty well, actually very well. The kibbutz where I grew up is kind of this, uh, that even poor people like my parents were, they can become prosperous within a very short time thanks to a different organizing method, which is just like the car production that Ford brought to our world.